Hi friends, welcome to number one biology channel. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get latest updates. In this video, I will give you human respiratory system most important bits for competitive and entrance exams. Question number 1. Which of the following cannot be measured by spirometry? The options are A. Vital capacity, B. Tidal volume, C. Inspiratory reserve volume, D. Residual volume. The answer is D. Residual volume. Question number 2. Ausphysiology is the study of sensor. The options are A. Taste, B. Pain, C. Vision, D. Smell. The answer is D. Smell. Question number 3. When proteins are respiratory substrate, RQ will be. The options are A. 20, B. 1.0, C. 0.8, D. 1.5. The answer is C. 0.8. Question number 4. The blue baby syndrome results from. The options are A. Methamoglobin, B. Excess of TDS, C. Excess of dissolved oxygen, D. Excess of chlorides. The answer is A. Methamoglobin. Question number 5. Increased asthmatic attacks in certain seasons are related to. The options are A. Eating fruits preserved in tin containers, B. Hot and humid environment, C. Inhalation of seasonal pollen, D. Low temperature. The answer is C. Inhalation of seasonal pollen. Question number 6. Which of the following disorder results in increased residual volume? The options are A. Tuberculosis, B. Emphysema, C. Pneumonia, D. Coryza. The answer is B. Emphysema. Question number 7. Which of the following has been declared a killer disease under Factory Act? The options are A. Tuberculosis, B. Asbestosis, C. Asthma, D. Shigellosis. The answer is B. Asbestosis. Question number 8. The duration of inhalation is shortened by signals from. The options are A. Expiratory area, B. Inspiratory area, C. Pneumotaxic area, D. Apneustic area. The answer is C. Pneumotaxic area. Question number 9. Which of the following disease does not affect the lower respiratory tract? The options are A. Common cold, B. Asthma, C. Bronchitis, D. Emphysema. The answer is A. Common cold. Question number 10. When carbon dioxide concentration in blood increases, breathing becomes. The options are A. Shallower and slow. B. There is no effect on breathing. C. Slow and deep. D. Faster and deeper. The answer is D. Faster and deeper. Question number 11. The state during which the respiratory center is inhibited is termed as. The options are A. Choking. B. Anoxia. C. Suffocation. D. Asphyxia. The answer is B. Anoxia. Question number 12. How much amount of oxygen can bind to 1 gram of hemoglobin? The options are A. 20 ml. B. 40 ml. C. 1.34 ml. D. 13.4 ml. The answer is C. 1.34 ml. Question number 13. Unloading of oxygen is relatively more. Are the following areas? The options are A. Gills. B. Lungs. C. Skeletal muscles. D. Smooth muscles. The answer is C. Skeletal muscles. Question number 14. Which of the following is an amphoteric molecule in man? The options are A. Hemocyanin. B. Carbonic anhydrase. C. Albumin. D. Hemoglobin. The answer is D. Hemoglobin. Question number 15. Hamburger's phenomena is also known as. The options are A. Hydrogen shift mechanism. B. Carbonic acid shift mechanism. C. Sodium potassium pump. D. Chloride shift mechanism. The answer is D. Chloride shift mechanism. Question number 16. Anatomic dead space in the respiratory tract of man is about. The options are A. 1.5 liter. B. 500 ml. C. 250 ml. D. 150 ml. The answer is D. 150 ml. Question number 17. The exchange of gases in the alveoli of the lungs takes place by. The options are A. Passive transport. B. Active transport. C. Osmosis. D. Simple diffusion. The answer is D. Simple diffusion. Question number 18. In which part of the respiratory system gaseous exchange takes place? The options are A. Alveoli. B. Pharynx. C. Larynx. D. Trachea. The answer is A. Alveoli. Question number 19. Which of the following pulmonary volumes cannot be measured by spirometer? The options are A. Residual volume. B. Expiratory reserve volume. C. Inspiratory reserve volume. D. Tidal volume. The answer is A. Residual volume. Question number 20. Double ventilation occurs in the lungs of. The options are A. Mammals, B. Birds, C. Reptiles, D. Amphibians. The answer is B. Birds. Question number 21. Hemocyanin pigment is found in. The options are A. Insecta, B. Annelida, C. Crustacea, D. Nematoda. The answer is C. Crustacea. Question number 22. Schneiderian membrane is found in. The options are A. Loop of Henle, B. Trachea, C. Bowman's capsule, D. Nasal mucosa. The answer is D. Nasal mucosa. Question number 23. Rima glottidis is the opening in between. The options are A. Internal nares, B. Concave, C. External nares, D. Ocal folds. The answer is D. Ocal folds. Question number 24. Cardiac notch is present in. The options are A. Right lung, B. Left lung, C. Atria, D. Cardiac stomach. The answer is B. Left lung. Question number 25. Nasopharynx receives these openings. The options are A. Concave, B. Larynx, C. Coena, C. Columella oris. The answer is C. Coena. Question number 26. Nasal cavity and oral cavity are separated by. The options are A. Mediastinum, B. Hard palate, C. Diaphragm, D. Nasal septum. The answer is B. Hard palate. Question number 27. Vertebrate lungs arises from. The options are A. Ribs, B. Skin, C. Pharynx, D. Alveoli. The answer is C. Pharynx. Question number 28. The region of lung through which blood vessels nerves enter or exit the lung is. The options are A. Alveoli, B. Hilum, C. Mediastinum, D. Cardiac notch. The answer is B. Hilum. Question number 29. Gland associated with olfactory epithelium are. The options are A. Bartholin's glands, B. Brunner's glands, C. Bowman's glands, D. Cooper's glands. The answer is C. Bowman's gland. Question number 30. The number of lobes in the right and left lung of man respectively are. The options are A. 2 and 4, B. 2 and 3, C. 4 and 2, D. 3 and 2. The answer is D. 3 and 2. Question number 31. Trachea divides into bronchi at the level of. The options are A. 12th vertebra, B. 5th vertebra, C. 17th vertebra, D. 10th vertebra. The answer is B. 5th vertebra. Question number 32. Twisted bones of nasal chambers are. The options are A. Mediastinum, B. Rima glottidis, C. Coena, D. Concha. The answer is D. Concha. Question number 33. The total number of alveoli present in both the lungs of man is. The options are A. 30 million, B. 400 million, C. 30 lakhs, D. 300 million. The answer is D. 300 million. Question number 34. Common passage for food and air in humans is. The options are A. Nasopharynx, B. Larynx, C. Esophagus, D. Laryngopharynx. The answer is D. Laryngopharynx. Question number 35. Major cause for the respiratory disorder characterized by decreased respiratory surface area is. The options are A. Tobacco smoking, B. Hypersensitivity, C. Bacteria, D. Tobacco chewing. The answer is A. Tobacco smoking. Question number 36. Respiratory center that can moderate functions of rhythm center is located in. The options are A. Pons, B. Cerebrum, C. Medulla, D. Cerebellum. The answer is A. Pons. Question number 37. Medulla oblongata has. The options are A. Respiratory rhythm center, B. Chemosensitive area, C. Pneumotaxic center, D. A and B. The answer is D. A and B. Question number 38. RV plus BC equal to. The options are A. EC, B. RV, C. TLC, D. IC. The answer is C. TLC. Question number 39. The instrument that helps in clinical assessment of pulmonary function is. The options are A. Spirometer, B. Ammeter, C. Sphygmomanometer. D. Voltmeter. The answer is A. Spirometer. Question number 40. Volume of air that will remain in the lungs after normal expiration is equal to. The options are A. PV plus ERV. B. ERV plus RV. C. PC plus ERV. D. PV plus IRV. The answer is B. ERV plus RV. Question number 41. Which of the following is a part of both digestive tract as well as respiratory tract? The options are A. Pharynx. B. Nose. C. Larynx. D. Trachea. The answer is A. Pharynx. Question number 42. Flow of water and blood to the respiratory organs is countercurrent in these animals. The options are A. Sponges, flatworms. B. Mammals. C. Pisces. D. Aquatic arthropods. The answer is C. Pisces. Question number 43. The amount of air which one can inhale or exhale with maximum effort is called. The options are A. Vital capacity. B. ERV. C. IRV. D. Tidal volume. The answer is A. Vital capacity. Question number 44. The volume of thoracic chamber increases in dorsoventral axis due to the contraction of. The options are A. Internal intercostal muscles. B. Abdominal muscles. C. External intercostal muscles. D. Phrenic muscles. The answer is C. External intercostal muscles. Question number 45. The volume of the air involved in breathing movements can be estimated by using A. The options are A. Voltmeter. B. Spirometer. C. Sphygmomanometer. D. Spirometer. The answer is B. Spirometer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.